Hey guys, so it's been a while. I had my breakfast. So, kanina actually 7. Inopen ko na ba yung vlog? I think hindi pa. So, hello. Welcome to Vlogmas day 4, I guess. So, I had breakfast. Actually, 2 breakfasts because I was hungry for some reason. This is my work at home day, but I don't have my internet today, so sorry boss, next time na lang po. It's like already 10 o'clock. Nakalimutan ko, nagpa-vlog pala ako today. I had to fix our clothes. So guys, alam ko hindi naman exciting ang buhay ko, pero nag-vlogmas ako dahil I really want to see the difference of my life now and my life before. So the last time I did Vlogmas was around 2016. And naalala ko na I requested na mag-Baguio kami with the family. So yun yung nangyari nung bandang Christmas noon. I was enjoying myself. It was loosely the best year for me, I guess. Kasi yun yung start ng knowing who I really was. I was figuring out what to do with my life. Nahanap ko naman yung gusto kong gawin, which is, ito na yun. So, sobrang iba yung vision ko going into college versus when I was in it. Nung papasok pa lang ako ng college, naisip ko na talaga na, ay, ganito yung gagawin ko in life. Pero turns out, hindi pala yun yung passion or yung magpapaligaya sa akin. So, akala ko kasi, the job aspect should always be like, kung saan ka maraming kikitain. Kaya din siguro ako na-encourage na maging computer science student. Pero, gusto ko naman talaga yung programming actually. I was very good at it. Marami talagang nag-akala na yun yung gagawin kong path sa buhay. Although, I still can do it dahil bata pa ako, I'm still 20. Pero hindi pala siya masaya. Nasabak ako ng OJT. I was supposed to vlog when I was in OJT, pero tinamad ako, kaya hindi ko siya napanindigan at na-edit. I had 2 days of footage, pero delete na ata siya kasi na-reformat yung computer. Pero, ayun, it was crazy kasi makikita mo yung worries sa face ko when I was doing the vlogs. Nung pinapanood yung clip, sabi ko, oh my God, kabadong-kabado ka sa buhay Maynila. Pero, nandito ka na, it's so different. It's very different. Masaya naman, pero na-realize ko na yung corporate life wasn't for me. Pero, I could still do it actually. But, it's not my passion na. And 2016 was like the turning moment na I also knew a lot of things about myself. Ibang mga bagay, I really found who I really was. And sobrang saya lang nung year na yun dahil I was surrounded by good intellectual people. It was a year of substance. It was the year of exploration. Kaya nag-enjoy talaga ako kasi madami akong tinry nung year na yun and almost lahat naman hindi ko pinagsisisihan kahit na masakit yung iba. Masakit! Bakit? Cut off ako, naubos yung memory ko. But, all in all, I'm just gonna say that 2016 was a good year and 2017 was a tragic year for me. It was a mess, like literally a mess. And then, 2018, mas malala pa siya. So, tignan natin kung gaano kakaiba tong 2018 sa 2016 vlogs ko. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, after 2 long arduous hours, just folding the clothes. I think gonna take some lunch. Nagluto ko ng kanin kanina before ako mag-start magtiklop. And the leftover chicken from yesterday because it's so good sauce. So this is the microwave to eat. Ang hirap pala mag-vlog ng ganitong montage. So, maybe not. Alright you guys, so first up, we are going to regalo pabahay. So malapit na siya dito, meron silang parang like a warehouse. So I'm gonna check that out. And yeah, okay guys, so it turns out, regalo pabahay is not here. Wala na siya dito. Yung dating regalong pambahay is already like a computer store. So that was a fail, kind of. Medyo sayang yung lakad ko, no? Medyo malayo kasi ito eh. Pero I'm gonna go to another store. It's like an HMR Trading, like a discount store. And we'll see kung meron doon mga hinahanap natin. And of course, some things that might surprise us. So yeah, I'm here at the front of Pioneer City Land. And it brings so much memories because this is the first place I lived in for OJT. So I lived here before. That's really cool. Memories. Okay, there's the trading house. Lapit na pala dito. So okay lang yun. Tawid na tayo, Jaran. We're here. There's a lot of stuff, and that's pretty cool. What the f***? Their bags, and then there's literally drones here, and then there's hot pink bags up there, and then like a lot of belts there, and then like more stuff here and more stuff there. This is madness. This is crazy. This is my webcam dito. It's only for $5.99. I think it's a good brand. Tapos meron dito protective silicone case. Ang random shit. Ay, ganda ito. This is like the humble printed one. Pendant lights right there, and then there's this field clinic for sale. My god. Found these bistro lights. They're solar panel operated, and they are still working. Literally have the same knife set as this one, or this one, but here it's more expensive. Look at these. Oh my god. Christmas stuff in here, and I bet they're very, very cheap as well. So this is like a 5 feet one, which is very effective, and it's very heavy, like this. I love this. I want to get more fairy lights, but this is tangled on this mess of wire mass. So with Christmas cards, there are a lot of it, and they're only for $149. This one, 59 pesos. There are bigger ones too. Pretty decent. They look good. Hey, Christmas me merry and bright. What the you guys? I just found an iridescent white Christmas tree. I wanna buy it so bad, but it's $1.99. These are so cute. It's broken, but you can fix that. Guys, may nakita ko. I just saw a belt bag with the f***ing belly button printed on it, and it's hairy too. Ew. Samahan yan guys, marami pa silang stock. Medyo kadiri. Yeah. So there's like a lot of chairs, and then there's like a random ass beanie right there. So now we're at the apparel section. My favorite part. On this huge jacket, and it has like a print lining for like $3.95. I don't know. Alright you guys, it's been a day. Paggagabi na dito pa ako sa H&M because it's a lot of stuff, okay? And I really like these glasses, so I don't know. You like it? I look cool, right? Well, I went too long, so papunta rin tayo sa Robinsons. Just, you know, like a... These are the cutest corn I've ever seen. It's broccoli.
So cute, Mr. Broccoli.
I'm really happy to see you. Oh. Alright you guys, since I'm such a bad vlogger, I forgot to vlog when I was buying my groceries. But here it is. I have my groceries with me and we're headed home. So I decided for dinner I should cook 2 mee gorengs because I'm addicted to mee goreng. I love mee goreng so much. So I'm just gonna eat my dinner. I think there's nothing much not happening tonight. Okay, I finished my chores, finished eating. I think this is the end of Vlogmas. Part 1 of week 1 of Vlogmas for me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Good morning, you guys. Oh my god, my lips are so pink. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. And yes, it's the morning. I'm gonna make my breakfast because we don't have bowls like most people. You know what I mean? So, not sponsored. I serious yesterday. No! Okay. Also not sponsored, people. Oh.
Meanwhile.
Hey guys, after MRT at just ko yung pawis ko, nakakadiri. I'm finally here at the office. I can't really give you an office tour, and my skin is disgusting. Oh my goodness, that is tragic. Yes, I'm full of sweat. I'm trying to contain myself because sabi nila 9:30 daw ang pasok, pero wala pa sila dito. So, pahinga lang akong konti. My free time, gonna edit my Vlogmas videos, so I think it's gonna go up later tonight. I'm so excited. So, natutunan ko po today na mahirap mag-edit ng vlog kasi anong oras. Tapos, inabot na ako ng 9 sa office. Kaya pauwi pa lang ako. Tapos, I'm just gonna finish it tomorrow and upload it tomorrow. So, alam ko na ang gagawin ko strategy next time para makahabol tayo sa Vlogmas and yeah. Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 5, and I know this outfit is very weird, but I really don't care. This is from my dad, thrifted, made, and new stock. So, we gotta go for work. Medyo maaga pa actually. Actually, it's very early just to, finish the part 1 of the Vlogmas week 1. Gotta talk to you guys later. Okay, I'm up and early sa office kahit madilim. But I'm be working on my videos kaya maaga ako sa office today. And pinatay ko yung ilaw, so kaya madilim. Late. Hey guys, it's Vlogmas Day. I don't remember. I think it's Vlogmas Day 6 or 7. I just woke up. I have work today, unfortunately, because boss wants me to work this day. I forgot to vlog how I did this marinade for the chicken, and I'm also reheating or cooking again the rice. So just gonna marinate for a few minutes, and then we're gonna fry it or cook it in the pan. That's my baon for today. Sarap-sarap barbecue. Basically, my expertise in cooking is burning stuff. I like to charm my chicken so it would be like a barbecue flavor, and it's really good. And basta pag may sabaw, laging natutuyot sa akin. So I can't do adobo na may sabaw. It's always dry as a desert. And kailangan lagi natitira dun sa pan kasi I'm a stupid cook. Also guys, nalulungkot ako kasi naubos na rin yung pang YouTube ko. Hindi ko na alam gagawin ko. Charot. Baka magpa-load ako later or patapusin ko na yung aking data. Another 300 naman for another month. So, it's just gotta live with it. You just gotta live with it. Hey guys, so I'm dressed, cooked, and all that, and I'm headed out to work because I want to catch up on editing my Vlogmas.
8:01 p.m.
So, we're going to Mega Mall to check out some things to gift, and I'll see you guys later. Now we're going to Uniqlo for some secretive reasons, but yeah, just know it's Uniqlo. So I just saw what I saw, and wala lang. Guys, naka-sale yung usong-uso na Sherpa jacket for $7.99. Okay, I just watched Nikki Tutorials collab with Oprah, and look at this. Oh my gosh. This sweatshirt, guys. Oh my god, it's so good. Shopping, I forgot I vlogged it, and yes, malakas yung music dito, but look at these cargo style flat pants. They're pretty cute, and I really want one of these Sherpa jackets. So Sherpa jingle all the way, $1.99 lang siya, and amoy French vanilla. This is cute too. Apple cinnamon, pretty cute. Yep, still canvassing for gifts, and I know it's a bit late, but I think I'm just gonna eat, check a few more stores, and go. Just found out that my wallet is not with me, and I probably left it at the office. Oh my god! It's there! Thank you, Lord! Diyos ko, hindi ko alam gagawin ko kung wala yung wallet ko. Nandito lahat talaga, mga moms. So, ayun. After the meltdown, uwi na po tayo. Thank you, boss. You guys, these things only happen to me. So, yes, kahit pagod na ako dahil buong araw na ako tatatakbo, lalakad pa rin ako para sa takoyaki. Thank God! At bukas yung food market tonight. So, diba yung mausok na yun? Hindi, kasi tignan mo yung glare ng camera ko, pero may uusok doon.
Yaki!
Dahil may takoyaki na ako, akyat na ako sa taas. Kaya na tayo ng takoyaki. Okay, hey guys, kung hindi nyo na-gets yung story ko kanina, basically, around 8, lumabas ako ng office. Punta ako ng Mega Mall para mag-window shopping. Tapos, nung pauwi na ako around 10 o'clock, tsaka ako naalala, tsaka ako nakita pala, na wala yung wallet ko sa bag. Ang galing-galing! Buti na lang kamo, nasa Mega Mall pa ako noon. Kasi hindi naman talaga makaka-uwi. Wala yung wallet ko kasi nandun lahat. So basically, buti na lang mabait yung boss ko. Doon siya sa nasa kabilang side ng street ng aming office. Doon na siya nakatira. So, hiniram ko muna yung susi. Pinahiram naman niya ako. Thank you, boss, talaga sa pagpapahiram. And nakita ko nga doon yung aking wallet. So, from now on, ididikit ko na yung wallet ko sa brief ko para hindi ko na makalimutan talaga. Kasi nakaka-trauma siya, best talaga. As in talaga, na-stress talaga ako. Kaya ako napakain ng takoyaki. Sakit sa ulo! Let's feel the spirit of Christmas by closing this vlog with that very, very unfortunate situation. Pero pinagpala naman tayo ng Panginoon sa dulo dahil hindi niya tayo pinabayaan. Thank you, Lord, Mama Chup Chup. That is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and of course, subscribe if you want to see more of this face. And if you really like it, then you should have put a ring on it to get notified whenever I upload a new video, like once in a blue moon. If you want to follow me on all my social media, it's all at ZymonB. You can like my Facebook page, facebook.com/IamZymonB. And as always, I hope to see you guys soon and have a great day ahead. Bye, guys!